Cool Cars by Tony Mitton and Ant Parker. Read by Keith Wickham.
Cool cars!
Cars are really handy for getting us around. They whiz about on busy roads and make a zoomy sound. Cars can come in many shapes, in sizes large or tiny. Here's a little mini car. And one that's big and shiny.
Whoa! Did you hear that? Zoom!
I bet that car has superpowers. It's so zoomy.
A car must have a driver to make it start and go. The roads are full of many things a driver needs to know. Traffic lights, road markings, signs along the way. You have to read them quickly and do the things they say.
Red light. Time to stop. Let's wait our turn.
Zebra crossing ahead. Better slow down for the walkers.
The steering wheel directs the car and turns it left or right. The mirrors help to keep the other traffic well in sight. You use your feet to press the pedals down upon the floor. One stops the car completely. One makes it speed up more.
Let's speed up, pressing the pedal to go faster.
Foot on the gas. Vroom! Off we go!
To keep your car in good condition, give it proper care. Check the oil, top it up, and pump the tyres with air. Fill its tank with fuel, then drive it through the wash. The wipers clear the windscreen with a swishy, swishy swash.
It's running low. Time for a top-up. Glug, glug, fresh oil going in. This car's gonna purr.
Convertibles are really great for driving in the sun. The top folds down or comes right off. It makes the drive more fun. If you're driving off the road on ground that's really rough, a sturdy four-wheel drive is best with tyres thick and tough.
Mud, rocks or sand. These strong tyres handle it all. Whoa, those tyres are huge. They can roll over anything.
Some cars are built for racing. They zip along so fast. It's noisy and exciting as they all go roaring past.
Vroom! It zoomed past in a flash.
Police cars have a siren and beacon lights that flash to show they're chasing criminals or helping at a crash.
I hear the siren. Better pull over and let them through.
Some cars are really fancy, like gleaming limousines. They're used to carry movie stars and presidents and queens. But anyone who's out in town and needs to take a ride can hail a passing taxi cab and quickly jump inside.
Hop in. Let me help you with those bags.
Cars are really popular for getting us about. So sometimes there's a traffic jam and cars just can't get out.
Even in a jam, it's nice to take a moment and appreciate the cars around us.
But when the roads are clear and the weather's fine and bright, a journey in the country can fill us with delight. We've packed a yummy picnic. It's a lovely sunny day. Let's buckle up our safety belts and then we're on our way.
It's the ideal time to take your car out for a spin. If you love checking out these cool cars, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome rides and adventures. Don't miss out. There's plenty more fun coming your way.